by plus reflexive pronoun reinforces the idea of insistence. I was by myself, on my own, when it happened. Can you manage by yourself? He can't do that by himself. In English, we do not use reflexive pronouns after certain verbs. These are mainly verbs about personal care and movement. To worry, to concentrate, to dress, to fight, to relax, to shave, to wake up, to feel, to hide, to get ready, to get up, to sit down, to meet, to adapt, to complain, to remember, to shower, to lie down.